Online reading tutorials for children. Lesson 11. Letter O. Capital or big letter O and small letter O. The O says ah. Say ah. 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 Orange. The orange is round. Ah. Orange. Let's read. Ah. Oblong. Ah. Octopus. Ah. Ocean. Ah. Ostrich. Ah. Onion. Now it's your turn.
You were so cool.
Letter L. Capital or big letter L and small letter L. The L says L. Say L. L. Let's read. L. Lion. Lion. L. Ladybug. Ladybug. L. Ladder. Ladder. L. Leaf. Leaf. L. Lamp. Lamp. Now it's your turn.
Super.
Let's read. L. A. G. L. A. G. Log. Log. P. A. T. P. A. T. Pot. Pot. D. A. T. D. A. T. Dot. Dot. It's your turn.
You put a smile on your face.
Write letter L or O with the correct beginning sound of each picture below. You may use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Number 1. A. Orange. Number 2. L. Leaf. Number 3, octopus. Number 4, ostrich. Number 5, ladybug. Number 6, log. Are you correct?
Awesome.
Activity 14. Connect a word with a correct picture. You may use your pointing finger to match them. Pause this video and start now. Let's check. Number 1, orange. Number 2, ocean. Number 3, octopus. Number 4, oblong. Number 5, onion. Are you correct?
Good work.
Goodbye, kids. See you tomorrow.